If the sun refused to shine, baby, would I still be a lover? Charis. Hello! Hi! Kamusta? Gayon mo bi, ano yun? What does that mean? I'm so sorry. I'm not fluent in all the dialects. Hi po. Hi sa inyo. Kamusta? Ba't gising pa kayo? Ba't nagpupuyat ka? Charis, kimi lang. Hi! Nagka-connect ko lang yung ating speaker para makapag-sound trip tayo. Hey. Hi, ma'am. Miss you so much. Miss you back. Kung sino ka man. Charis. On the way na merch mo dito sa probinsya. Love it. Yes! Nakapag-ship out na kami ng merch today. Sorry for all the delays. Medyo nagalgal kaming lahat from last week. Alam nyo naman, mga kaganapan, madami. Modern skinny legend mo lalo. Haha. Ozempic Irian Kim. Bakla! Ba't pa ako mag-Ozempic? Anong makukuha sa akin? Charis. Hi, I just want to say na I love you before ako matulog. Good night! Hi, Miss, do you have a drag daughter? I have 3, actually. Miss Rocky Star, who celebrated their birthday yesterday, also known as Hair by Gab Villegas. And then I also have Regina Gorge, na resident crib keeper sa crib. And then ang aking assistant, si Miss Facial Viva. Nag-perform siya nung pre-show for Kiko Bam. Gusto ko lang i-reiterate na merch mo ang first ever na bili ko. Tama! Charot. Thank you so much, JK. OMG, your hair is so long. Hey, sis Aurora. Yeah, I'm growing it out. I want to get like a wolf cut. I'm trying to grow it out. Tulog ka na, Mi. Teka lang, marami pa akong niligpitin. Kita sa Dali last time. Oh my God. Miss Dali, we have to stand. Dali or Dali, kung ano mang gusto niyong pronunciation. We have to stand. Sobrang mura. Everything is so cheap. I buy yung wheat bread ko from there. I buy their chicken karaage, mama. Bagay sa wolf cut. Yes. That's why I'm growing it out. Like, I wanted to reach up to here. And then I want to get maybe like a Korean perm. Basta like something that gives it more volume and shape. But when it grows out, para hindi sayang. Kasi like if I get it permed now and then it grows out, wala din. Hello my love, 3am gising ko for school pero para sa'yo wag na matulog. Bakla o matulog ka dyan? Ma-buzzcut bagay sa'yo. Mauna ka. Pag bagay sa'yo, pag-isipan ko. Congrats mo ako, ma-rehearsal na po namin bukas para sa graduation. Oh my God, happy graduation. Salamat at ikaw ay, patapos na. Napanood mo po ba yung trailer ng new album, Miley? Hindi pa. I have new Space Molly na. You want butter? Ooh, Space Molly. Yes, we love her. Gusto ko nga ng Molly na 400. Hindi ako ganun kayaman, so hindi tayo makaka-afford agad. Pero gusto ko ng Molly na 400% para dito sa bahay. Welcome to Capitolio Mix. Yes! Sana makasali ka sa Slation this 2025. Na-miss ko ng pagiging Englishera mo sa workroom. Well, pag nawala ako bigla, alam nyo na. Chari! That's exactly your look when I saw you at SM South Mall last Dragon the Sun. Nakaputi ba akong sando nun? Kung maalala. Wait, oh my God, ang dami ng comments. Wait. Let me keep up. Top 9 overall sa school. Congratulations, very good. Tama yan. Random question, who is your fave Sanrio character? Bakla. This is real, this is me. Okay. Ma, ba't hindi mo ako pinapansin? Kanino pa binabasa comment mo, be? Ayan, also, shout out. Tingnan niyo yung anak namin, may bago siyang damit. Tapos meron siyang bag. Na andun yung alaga niya. Anyway. Sobrang fresh. Huwag kayong papaloko, be. Filter lang yan. Tsaka mantika. Because I spent the whole evening painting my room. Painting my soon-to-be bedroom. Ayun. Are those the Glindas at the back? Yes, they are. They're there for the meantime. Hinahanapan ko pa. Also, kompleto na yan. Wala pa lang sa akin yung isa. Hindi pa nabibigay sa akin. Pero kompleto na yan. Iniisip ko pa kung saan sila ilalagay dito sa house. Actually, like, I haven't decided where I want to put them. Oy, OMG, what if bumili ako ng deluxe ni Ari for you? Be! If the sun refuses to shine. Sorry. Oh my God, sobrang excited ko, bakla. Alam nyo ba, syempre hindi ko yata pwede i-share. Pero basta may, gigigil ako. Hindi ko pwedeng chika. Reaction for Miley's new album trailer. Okay, search natin. Miley album. Bakit may trailer yung album? Pati pala album ngayon, may trailer na. Itong Something Beautiful. I'll go. Live reaction tayo. I-move mo rin ba yung Instax picture wall mo dyan sa condo? I think I'm going to start a new one here. The old one that's at the house, I want to keep it there. Kasi parang for me, that's like its rightful place. But I want to start my own Instax wall here. And medyo gusto ko Instax wall siya of photos with people that have visited. Parang ganon. Wait, eto. Ay, teka yung speaker natin, hindi connect. Wait lang niload up ko lang yung Miley Something Beautiful official trailer. Go. A unique visual experience. Taray, visual album si Bakla. Same. Fueled by fantasy. Same. Ay, may gustong patunayan. May gusto siyang patunayan, opo. Okay, work visuals. Ganda nung hirat ni Ginger na straight. Papagaya. Would you promise that I'm enough? If I give you all of my love. I was just thinking to myself the other day, or parang last week yata yun, na parang, why aren't any of the pop girls attempting to do a visual album? Kasi we're getting a bunch of new releases. Like we had Mayhem and we're having Brighter Days. I don't know if Brighter Days is gonna have any visual accompaniment. But I was just thinking to myself the other day na parang, why isn't anyone attempting to do a visual album? Eh, ayan. Sumagot si Miley Cyrus. May gusto siyang patunayan. I'm excited. I can't tell what the genre of the album is. Like, hindi ko matunugan kung ano yung tunog niya, kung ano yung sound niya. Although, I'm hoping for the best kasi Endless Summer Vacation is one of my favorite albums. Yun yung favorite ko album na pakinggan pag nasa LU ako. Kasi pag nag-beach ako, Endless Summer Vacation niya, buong araw, buong trip. So I'm excited for this visual album. I hope she eats. I hope she serves. I hope she doesn't go into the Key Asylum. Ayun lang. Hironong atake natin today. True ba? Gusto niyo hachipupu, yung nakaganon. Yung may ganon yung heret. Hachipupu. Bagsak na bagsak siya kasi ang oily niya right now. Kasi nga, asikaka ako the whole day. I was painting my walls. As you can see from my hands, it has paint on it. Because I was painting my walls. Kasi parating na yung... So I had a bed frame custom made. Kasi ano na siya, bed frame slash dresser slash bookshelf slash anik-anik shelf slash storage. Basta marami siyang purpose. Nagpa-custom ako ng bed frame for this space. And it's... Na-message ako earlier this week na tapos na daw siya. Pinostpone ko lang yung installation niya to next week. Ay, may sense. Natapos siya earlier this week. Tapos, pinostpone ko yung installation niya to next week kasi nga, hindi pa ako tapos mag-paint ng wall. Pero ayun, tapos, well-ish. I'll see. Nag-lime wash din kasi uli ako parang itong wall na to. Lime wash. But in a different color. So, malalaman ko bukas pagkagising, pagka natuyo siya, if yun na yun or if you wanna do another layer. In which case, I have to buy another paint. And then, I have to let it dry for a few days and then top coat. Basta, proseso. Anyway, Ate Rich, hi Jaja Collins! The excess paint on your hand fit your nails. Look ba siya? It's a look, I think. Charis. Ganda ng room. Ayan. Ito yung desk ko. Ala. Tulog ka dyan. And this is my desk. Mix, ang ganda mo. Do you remember me? Hindi ko makita, be, yung mukha mo wala. Hindi ko makita sa profile picture mo. Paano ko malalaman? Char. I met you at that sobrang fresh and pretty mo. Oh, thank you so much. Anong ginagawa niyo? Ba't gising pa kayo? Hating gabi na mga anak. Ba't gising pa kayo? Aesthetic girly, yeah. Ang pakay ko kasi, dito sa condo, like, I want everything to be like, content-worthy. Para pag inamat sa kong mag-vlog, ganyan. Pwesto ang camera dito, okay yung background, pwesto ang camera dito, okay, parang ganong atake. Hi, Mix, shoutout po, Natasha. Shoutout sa'yo, Natasha. Oh, cutie, bagay yung glasses sa mga collection mo. Thanks. Good morning, Mix, working na... night shift, kabog. Taga-Canada po, I need entertainment. Well, I'm not here for your entertainment. Charing. Kimila. Nagpa-practice po para sa kakantahin sa graduation kaso bigla ka nag-live. Di naman kita maririnig, practice ka lang, be. Char. Mix, I was so happy na nakita for the first time sa Vice Comedy Club no Sunday. Super ganda na performance and very accommodating sa fans. Oh, thank you. I really love interacting with everyone. I super love doing meet and greet. So though minsan, especially if the meet and greet is after the show, medyo pagod siya. Medyo ubos na energy, gano'n. Also, bakla, tangina, like, I'm so happy I survived that weekend. Kasi medyo malalang pukpukan yung Kikubang drag brunch, na naging drag lunch, na naging drag merienda, na munti ka na maging drag dinner. Tapos yung birthday show namin ni Matilda nung madaling araw. Tapos drag brunch another nung umaga. So medyo, lagare. I watched you sa Rampa last Saturday. Super pretty mo. Thank you po. Iniisip ka po. Kulit ng hero na to. Your roast sa Dits was so heavy. My favorite for sure. Oh my God, thank you. Sobrang kabado ko noon. And I think, nahalata nyo naman sa bilis ko magsalita. Kasi, pinilit ko, sabi ko, hindi ako pwedeng manginig. Hindi pwedeng yung kaba ko ma-physicalize. Ayun, nadaan sa pagsasalita. Mami Mix, any tips? I'm playing the role of Doña Victorina for El Fili tomorrow. If I'm not mistaken, sa El Fili kasi Doña Victorina is a medyo antagonist, medyo kontrabidang character. And when I was still doing theater, ang isang biggest advice sa amin is, there are no good and bad characters. If you're playing a villain, you can't play it up as a larger-than-life villain. It has to be... it has to be parang kailangan you as an actor, kailangan naniniwala ka na kung ano yung pinaglalaban ng character mo, yun yung tama. That's what makes a compelling villain. A villain that doesn't play up to being the bad guy, but a villain that's just doing what they think is right for themselves. Hello, villain na season 3. Charis! Charis! Highly advisable ba na kumuha ng arts and theater for college if walang theater background? Yeah! I mean, kaya ka nga mag-aaral is para matuto, di ba? So if wala kang background, that's fine. You will be learning on, as you study. Grabe, sunod-sunod gigs mo last weekend but so proud. Thank you so much. Nailaban, nairaos. I wanna see you sa International All-Stars. I wanna see myself there too. Anong series ng Hirono ka? Series ng mama mo? Super ganda mo lalo na kapag naka-Glenda ka. Medyo nakapahinga siya right now. Also gusto ko kasi magpagawa ng bagong hair na Glenda. The one that's more accurate to the Ozdust look. Kasi the Glenda wig that I have is more accurate to the bubble gown hair. Kung si Lord nagpapahinga, pues ibahin mo si Mix Chanel. Hindi naman Sunday today. Hindi kailangan. Charis. Wait, ang bilis yung mag-comment. Hindi ko nababasa lahat. Good night, pretty. Gusto ko manood kaso I'm so tired from hospital duty. Go, pahinga na. Ma-follow mo na si Maya Lima para updated atake. Hindi ko siya pina-follow. I Creamate just started watching DRPH last January and you were my fave sa season nyo. Hope to watch you perform soon. Punta ka na show very soon. Anong fave mong piyesa in drag? Oh my God. Ang dami. A lot of my kasi, mga favorite na piyesa ko before, medyo pinagpapahinga ko. Kasi, I find na kahit favorite ko siya, if ulit-ulitin ko siya, alam mo nakakasawa siya gawin. Parang ganon. So may mga piyesa ako na parang pinagpapahinga for a while. But I want to revisit and update soon. Or maybe like at least in the future. Ganyan. Ang ingat ni makatulog. Ano be? Kuha ka ng yelo, pukpuk mo sa ulo mo. Charis. Any plans to color your hair? Not at the moment, no. I want to get it permed or like textured. Hindi naman kulot. Basta parang like mas lumabas yung waves niya. Waves. But ayoko munang pakulay kasi as a girly that was blonde for many years of my life, on and off, blonde ako, nagka-bleach ako. Kahit gaano ka kaalaga sa buhok, like even if you deep condition every once in a while, even if you go for the expensive dyes with the expensive treatments para hindi siya ganun ka-damage, eventually it will dry out kasi the bleaching process does kill your hair. So at some point, kahit anong alaga mo sa kanya, magiging dry siya and magiging sobrang oily naman. Like either super dry or super oily or both. Basta parang kahit ganong alaga mo sa bleached hair, it's not going to be healthy hair, and I'm very much enjoying my healthy hair at the moment and pinapahaba ko rin siya. Magkipiyasa yan ng party for you with Miggy soon, May ba't ako decision? Ano na, Jenny? Pinapakinggan ko pa, vina-vibe ko pa. Like, I'll see if may makonceptualize ako for party for you. Party for you. And I'll just dance with myself. Ay, iba pala yun. Sure. Since I love drag, I'd like to know more about the entire experience from backstage to the show itself. Ate Mix, I want your answer. Love you. Makinig kang Bekenemen, girl. Kinuwento ko halos buong season 3 experience ko sa podcast namin. So, makinig kang Bekenemen. Super love the Cloak Cards merch. Available talaga. Order na. Order na kayo. Nagkaka-ship out lang namin ng the first batch of orders were pre-order. But we have the stocks available now. So if mag-order kayo, mas mabilis na yung magiging ship out niyan. Though, ang schedule namin ng ship out is like once a week. So, parang... Pero if you order, it's going to arrive sooner than the first batch. What if also world burn next, pero sinabihan ko na rin si Regina yung daughter. Alam mo, maganda yun. Maganda yung world burn from Mean Girls. Gusto ko nga rin mag-candy store, pero bakla kasi trio yun eh. Trio pyesa yun eh. Sali ka ba sa Slay Shan? Secret. Secret. Flex the hand ulit. Haha, bakit ang aesthetic pa rin? Bakla, pintura na yan, oh. I love, love, love your nails. Napuksa na yung isa. Napuksa na yung isa. And yung isa, natanggalan na ng detail. Ito parang may isang piece na siyang missing. Okay, going sa watermelon tomorrow. See you there. Ma, would you be performing Don't Lose Your Head dito sa Iloilo pag babalik ka? If babalik, pwede. I take requests naman. Hanggang sa nails ng pintura na supernova pa rin atake. Correct. It's not a brand, it's a lifestyle. Charis. Gusto niyo ba makita yung though the paint is still drying, so hindi pa yun yung final look niya. Gusto niyo ba makita? Press 1. Kailan kaya kayo magpo-perform dito sa Tondo? Saan? Ano bang mga venue dyan sa Tondo? When ka mag-ibang hairstyle? Pag gusto ko. Pag gusto ko. Bakla lagi naman kami nagpapalit na wig, pati ba na may hairstyle out of drag? Pag-desisyonan nyo pa rin. Charis. Ayan na, puro sana mag-perform sa ganito, sana mag-perform sa ganyan. Ay, ayan na. Press paint reveal, ma'am. Ano po skincare mo? I use a lot of Good Molecules and Garnier products. Please, tagal ko nasa drag bucket list ang candy store. Please, parang kaya hilahin si Yudi and Jake na Heathers. May Pocky for Heathers. May Pocky for Heathers. Parang pwede. Pansinin mo ako, be, kasi pansin ako, wow. Buti alam mo. Char lang. Madaming pwede venue dito, ma. Saan? Sa basketball court. Ayan. Sige, go. Paint reveal. Hindi pa siya tapos, ah. Huh? Stunning! Ah! Wait! Oh my God! Para akong mag-grad pick. Okay, yun na yun. Ganda niyo sa camera. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Wow, parang nasa langit lang. Cory, ganun nga yung atake na gusto ko. Kasi, bedroom yan. So, parang, gusto ko yung pag natulog ako, feeling ko parang nasa medyo beachy, medyo parang sky, ganyan. Mixed Dua Canada Tour. Ganun-ganun lang. Kala mo ganun-ganun lang yun, no? Kailangan talaga ng visa dyan. Oo, masa court, sabi ko ni. Ikaw, Ella, mababatukan kay. Sino po bet mo season 17? Out of the ones that are left in the competition right now, I really enjoy Jewel Sparkle's fashion sense. I love her runways. Miss Lexi Love is also very compelling. Though hindi ako super updated, hindi ako like Powers to Bye-Bye. Ayun, Jewels and Lexi. Though Onion Nerves also is like eating the competition. She's won 4 challenges so far. Mawala ka ba plan sa Cebu? Does Cebu have plans for me? Kasi girl, ang tagal ko nang gustong bumalik ng Cebu, but does Cebu have plans for me? Jace Events. Bikini Men. Jace Events Char. Jewel Sparkle Stacy, I love her. I mean, girl, she walked into the workroom in a pink tweed outfit. How could I not love her? Like, how could I not? Malaki naman yung court, mamalinis din kaso mabaho lang tao. Ay, no. No tayo sa ganyan. Charis. Ay, gawa natin yan ng plano. Yan ang tanong nyo. Huwag nyo tatanungin sa akin, kailan mo plano magganto? Ang tanong nyo, kailan may plano yung gantong place para papuntahin ako doon? Mix Chanel for Slation Royal. Right, in my mind, you and Jules are besties. Alam nyo, na-excite ako. Sana magkaroon ng DragCon this year, no? Kasi wala pa silang, anong petsa na, wala pa rin silang announcement ang DragCon. Sana magkaroon ng DragCon this year. Para naman makapunta ako ng DragCon. DDN Bataan when kaya? Ano yung DDN? What's DDN? May mixi ba sa susunod? Abangan. Tingnan natin. Pag nag-show uli kami ni Maxi, tingnan natin. Mag-isa ka lang ba dyan na? Kasama ko yung mga The Demons in My Head. Charis. DragCon Philippines naman para madali punta. Well, honestly, that would be kind of slay. DragCon Asia Korean, honestly. Plus, a lot of the girls wouldn't need to have a visa to go to the Philippines. Unlike us na kailangan ng visa para pumunta ng US. Sino favorite mo, ate? Ikaw, kasi ikaw yung nagtanong. Pag si ate Kiwi nagtanong, siya yung favorite ko. Pero pag ikaw nagtanong, ikaw. Wala yung baby alive mo, ma'am. Ako nga yung baby alive. Super slay, kaya nga may slation na tayo, Cory. Slation Royal. Ano kayang mga puksaan ang magaganap sa Slation Royal? Kasali nga kaya ako sa Slation Royal. Abangan natin yan. OMG, yes, DragCon PHS Asia would slay. Like, I need my faves together. Girl, I want to meet a lot of the Thailand queens. Especially the season 3 Thailand queens. Kasi alam nyo ba, so, did you know that alam niyo naman siguro na Thailand at this point filmed here in the Philippines. Did you know they also use the same hotel rooms? Ang kasame ko yata ng hotel room is si Shotgun, if I'm not mistaken. Though hindi na kami nagkita, hindi na kami mga nagkasalubong. Nalaman ko na lang after, but me and Shotgun had the same hotel room. Who do you want to see DragCon if ever? Of course, I want to meet my ultimate faves, Nikki Doll, Raja. I also want to meet Rock'em Sakura because I really was inspired by Rock. I started doing drag no season 12, so I was really inspired by Rock and Nikki at that time. Ang dami, like Sasha Velour. Oh my god. So yung copy ako na Sasha Velour book is already signed. I wanna get it signed again by Sasha Velour. Mix nag-dinner kami ni Zimba, tayo naman pagbalik ko. Saan ka ba? See you later. Yeah, see you later sa Rampa. So, this time later or tomorrow, I will be performing at Rampa for That's So Fetch, a Y2K themed show. Mix What If Snatch Game. Di ba yata ako pwede mag-spill? Di pa yata pwede mag-talk. Basta. Mix mo ka na ng mga Hirono. Hindi ko nakabit ang Hirono eh. I mean, cute siya, but I don't think it's for me. I don't think collecting Hironos are for me. Kasi, nagsasawa na ako sa itsura ng Hirono. Kasi lahat na lang ng bakla may Hirono. So parang gets ba? Tama, mag-book na kayo sa akin sa Rampa, mga Bebgo. PM nyo si The Wendy page for Rampa. Work the World Tour, will you be there? Kailan nga ba yung Work the World dito sa Pilipinas? I don't know. I don't know my schedule. Hala, so may plano sa Snatch Game, la-avail ko yan siya. Skull Panda is also cute, but it's not for me. As in, ang favorite ko talaga, ang favorite ko sa Pop Mart, ito oh. Ayan. Siya. Ma, if hindi si Rufa May, sino gusto mong gayahin for Snatch Game? My original plan for Snatch Game talaga was, Miriam Defensor. So Rufa was a backup choice based on the moment. Like, as it was an in-the-moment choice, and do I regret it? Medyo. Kasi hindi talaga ako prepared. Hindi talaga ako prepared for the Rufa May. As in, like, that was all improv, and well, yung Miriam Defensor ko, I had a lot more props and gags and jokes for Miriam prepared when I went in for the show. Cancel na yung flight, manonood ako sa rampa. Correct. Roast of Mix, please. Be? Wala nang sasabihin siya kundi uplift. Ano lang yan? Uplift and stay positive. Yun lang yan. OMG sample nga, Miriam. Syempre, hindi ko na alam. I haven't practiced. Ang tagal ko nang hindi siya pinapractice. So, medyo nalimot ko na rin si Miriam. Because it's been a year since we filmed the show. So, I haven't really done any character study again of Miriam. Kasi syempre, wala naman akong pinaghahandaan pa. Pero baka soon. Abangan natin. Charis. Roast of Key pa lang puro uplift and positive eh. Di ba? Di ba nga? Roast of Mix tapos andun si Baus yun. Yun ang maganda. Pag si Baus Rufo nag-roast sa akin, ay lagot na lang. Sira na lang kami ng friendship. Charis. Good morning, Angel. Roast of Mix pero pag nagbuhat ng committee, sayang yung Barbie arms ko. Charis. Bigay naman season 17 when, as for Drag Race recaps, well, syempre, hindi namin iiwan ang Philippines. Pag nandyan yung, when we get to Station Royale, we will, of course, expect us to be covering Station Royale when it happens. But as of the moment kasi, we're on a break, we're on hiatus, because we're figuring out the direction of the show. Because as much as we love Drag Race, we also want to start diversifying our content to not just Drag Race itself, but we also want to start interviewing other queens about their lives outside of Drag Race, lives outside of drag in general. Like, we want to get to interview queens personally. We also want to interview a lot of other queer personalities, queer celebrities. So we're looking to diversifying the content for Bikinimen. That's why we're we're on pause from recapping the show at the moment. But yes, of course, pag nandiyan yung Station Royale, matik yan. Pag-uusapan namin yan. But as for other seasons, the international seasons, basically unless there's someone from Drag Race Philippines involved, we might not do it for the meantime. Just because we want to open our content more to other Filipino drag-related things. Gets ba? Basta yun. Sana may interview mo po si Aura Mayari if she joins the show. You know what? I really liked Aura on the show. I just think she had, well, ano rin naman yun, parang shortcoming din naman yun ng season niya na they got stuck with the 40-minute episodes for the first half of the season. So I think she was under-edited. She didn't have enough airtime. But I really did like what she was able to put out for the show. Yay, okay, Sita. Diba? Parang mas masaya mag-interview ng mga bakla na lang, chika ng chika ng about their lives, about their personal lives, about their home life, about their personal beliefs, their morals, para mas getting to know them deeper as a person, not just kung ano yung nakita natin sa Drag Race. Kasi girl, bakla yung Drag Race, nandiyan naman yan. Pwede nyo i-stream ng paulit-ulit kung ano yung pinag-usapan sa, like, what we said about season 1, 2, and 3 while they were airing. But we wanted to we want to interview the people beyond just the drag. Parang her story, anong spaces, Eminel Miss. Yeah, kind of something like that. Yeah, that would be great. We want to start doing more of that. And also, we want to keep doing Hanash episodes. We want to keep doing just me and Baus talking about life, about culture. Basically, parang medyo pinipeg namin mag-Las Culturistas na direction na. Parang ganon. But our version of it. But essentially, the scope of topics for Las Culturistas but adjacent to local drag. Gets ba? May isang vroom arrive lang, matulog na ako. Vroom arrive, sabi ng antok mo, Sheriff. What if mag-TikTok ang Mix Chanel in drag? Lagi naman ako nag-TikTok. Actually, mas binubuksan ko nga TikTok and nag-upload ako ng mga GGSS na videos lang pag nakadrag ako. Beyond the drag, that's a good direction, di ba? Kasi, alam nyo, pag nakakatsikahan ko yung queens backstage, pag nagka-catch up lang kami, hey sis, kamusta ka? Kamusta life mo? Kamusta yung mga ibang project mo? Yung parang nag-life updates na kami. It's so much more interesting. It's so much more interesting to talk about the personal lives of queens beyond kung ano nakita natin sa Drag Race. Kasi, bakla, gets ba? Pwede nyo ulit-ulitin yun. Minsan nga pa ulit-ulit na kayo sa comments about kung ano nangyayari sa Drag Race eh. So it's there. The show is there. The show is running. So, we don't need to keep talking about it. We can talk more about what's been happening to their lives now. Kasi I feel like so much has happened since we filmed the show, since the show aired. And ayun. Ayan, nandiyan si Zimba. For example, me and Zimba, nag-uusap lang kami yan earlier in the DMs about personal stuff. Now, syempre, hindi ko na ma-divulge right now, but me and Zimba have been talking about our personal lives then lately. And I feel like it's so much more interesting than, what did you feel about yung ganto mo sa Drag Race? What did you feel about yung ganto ganyan? Parang gets na, napag-usapan na, tapos na, naulit na. Let's talk about what's new, what's now, what's happening, what's culture, what's culturally right now. Love life mo be, kamusta yung for example, I've been moving in. UD has also been moving in. Me and UD are talking about the struggles of living alone and trying to create your own space. Ang interesting ng mga ganong bagay. Ang sarap pag-usapan ng mga ganon na minsan nga parang dapat nire-record ko to. Alam mo, may ganon akong feeling na parang dapat nire-record ko yung ganitong conversations eh. So, yun yung gusto namin gawin ni Baus now. Let's talk about love. Correct! O, Zimba, kamusta love life mo? Sino nang bagong manliligaw sa'yo? OMG, looking for love. Kiana is here. Ayan, si Miss Kiana, kausap ko rin yan. Tungkol sa hindi natin pag-uusapan dito. Basta, ang daming nangyayari sa buhay ng mga bakla na hindi nyo alam na we don't have a lot of opportunity to share. That would be so much more interesting than talking about what happened, than talking about strictly what happened on Drag Race and what we feel about that. Love life ni Zimba, palong-palo sana all. Bet kayo ni Tita Baby talk about life and mental. Exactly! Oh my God! Alam nyo ba, kaya rin suki namin si Tita Baby sa podcast. Kasi Tita Baby is such a wealth of information and knowledge and life experience. Tita Baby always talks about how she's lived through so many lives. She's lived through so many versions of her as a person. Na ang sarap niyang ungkatin. Bakla, parang 40-something years yun of life. Ang daming pwede pag-usapan. Ako, I was a double major in college. Meron akong trabaho. Basically, I had a day job before I started doing drag. there was a point in time na I was, basically I was transitioning at some point and then I stopped. Well, not transitioning hormonally, but like there was a time na I was living more femininely, as in like ang haba-haba ng buhok ko. I was wearing feminine clothes every day. Now I don't get to talk about. I know a lot of my other queens that have gone through the same thing. Like for example, alam ko ito, okay lang to kasi hindi naman to secret, but basically si Versex at one point parang she had feelings like that. Then si Jayquin, there was a time that Jayquin was also transitioning. Yung mga ganung bagay na you might not know about us. That's what I want to like start talking about. I want people to get to know more of the queens beyond what you've seen on Drag Race. Kasi unfortunately, an hour to an hour and a half per episode for 10 episodes is not enough to get to know a person, like all 11 or 12 queens' personal lives before the show. Tita Baby knows her words well, magaan pakinggan, correct. Tita Baby has so much valuable words to learn from, parang wisdom being passed down, ganon. Isa sa replaces sabi ka naman yung F Tita Baby, correct, di ba? Ang kata ng past, correct. Ang saya mo pakinggan magsalita, alang beses ko nang nalagpasan yung luggage ko. Nasa airport ka ba, Angel? Napakagaan ng pakiramdam kapag si Tita Baby nagbibigyan advice. Yes. Let us know agad when. Sita agad ako. Ayan, me and Baos have really been talking about that and we've been just trying to be very intentional with this new direction for Bekenemen. But we are coming back very soon. Not to like April. Mark my words, before matapos ang April, we're back. Bekenemen will be back. Like for example, ayan si Maxi, alam nyo, matagal na namin ito na pag-usapan, hindi lang matuloy kasi medyo mahirap nga ang mag-schedule kasi alam niyo naman superstar natin, superstar rin din ang schedule. But for example, si Maxi, I want to talk about Maxi. Alam niyo, yung basically the concept of putting in your 10,000 hours. Basically, putting in the work, putting in the amount of work needed before you start getting recognition. Yung parang ganon. Kasi bakla, si Maxi din, nung nandun kami sa show, ang dami niyang kwento about yung time na sumasalang siya lagi sa singing competitions, tapos ang kasama niya, yung dad niya, girl, mga ganong bagay. I want to talk about Kiana and what it was like, yung life niya, CDO, or like, her family life, hashtag feels like home. So, pero like ganong stuff. Like, kasi, alam nyo, I super love my sisters, and I love getting to talk about them outside of kung anong mga ginagawa namin as drag queens. Kasi, I mean, hello, performances will always be there. Getting to know the queen as a drag queen will always be there. You can always go to the shows, but we don't always have the platform and the space to talk about basically our past lives as queens. Angel also mentioned na nag-transition si Maxi at one point. Oh, ayan, di ko alam yan. I don't know if nakakwento niya sa akin, nakalimutan ko lang, or hindi ko pa siya, like, di pa na chicken sa akin. Basta mga ganun. Pakita mo yung paint natin, napakita ko na. Nakaka-excite naman niya, parang tropa na nagkakantuhan pero kasama kami. Yes, very that. Ganun yung gusto namin, talagang pinag-usapan namin iba sa direction. Tsaka kasi, we love to, parang, well, it's no secret naman that Bekenemen's inspiration was Race Chaser. And the current na parehas naming amats na podcast na pinapakinggan is Las Culturistas by Bowen Yang and Matt Rogers. If hindi kayo nakikinig, check it out. Especially, nahook ako sa Las Culturistas when they did the interviews with Ariana and Cynthia for Wicked. Kasi, nung panahon ng Wicked, puro Wicked lang pinapanood ko. Anyway, it's such a great podcast to talk about culture and the different celebrity guests that they have. Tapos yung mga ginawa nila beforehand, and then they also, like, Bowen and Matt also share about if personal friend nila yon, kung ano yung mga napag-usapan nila before, napag-bondingan nila before, sa mga ganong things. And we're very much inspired by that at the moment, and we want to kind of do that, but for the drag community, for the local community, and not just focus on Drag Race, because we also want to start covering and guesting and talking about and talking to other local queens, other local legends. Nakapikit na ang left eye ko. Matulog ka na, B. Who ang top 3 na first in line for upcoming interviews? For me, personally, eto, hindi pa to wala pa tong like, schedule or hindi ko pa like, hindi pa namin sila formally na-invite. But, ako, I would love to talk to Brigading. Kasi honestly, I'm such a fan of Brigading. Even before I started doing drag, even before Drag Race, I was a big fan of Briggs. And I think Brigading is one of those like workhorses in our industry at the moment. As in, bakla, ang dami niyang, she's putting on so many hats, and I want to talk to her about like, like where she gets that inspiration, that motivation to, be the mother of the house of Ding, be a businesswoman. Basta a lot of things. Syempre si Maxi, Kiana also, I wanna have Tita Baby and UD and Versex back on the show. Zimba, I wanna be able to, kasi hindi rin namin na-cover si Zimba kasi hindi naman siya and then na-eliminate si Zimba, but I think hindi yata may conflict sa schedule niya nung time. Ay, di ko na alam. Baka lang yung short-term memory ko. How's your Iloilo experience last month, Mix? Super fun. I love Iloilo. Sobrang the hospitality in Iloilo. Briggs is also one of the sweetest, pero she was painted differently lang. I know the feeling, girl. And yeah, one of the things that me and Briggs have talked about, parang we weren't the most satisfied with our depictions on the show. So I want to be able to talk to Briggs about that, like recorded na. Kasi napag-usapan na namin ni Briggs yan. Patulog na muna dito sa live mo, ma. Sana mapanaginipan kita. Good night. Hi, Mix. It was an honor to work with you backstage. Isa ka sa pinaka-genuine na kinakilala ko. Oh, thank you so much. I just try to be as nice as I can. Kasi parang libre lang maging mabait. Alam niyo. Parang also I don't want the karmic energy of being mean to people and then that karmic energy going back to you. Hoping to see Minty ulit. Sabi kayo, oo nga, si Minty! Siyempre, si Minty gusto namin pag-usapan yung Yun! Mapansin mo lang ako magka-cram na ulit ako. Go, be, mag-cram ka na dyan. Ma, what if live na podcast like part siya ng show? Mahirap kapag podcast. Especially when you put Drag Race queens into one room. It's hard to make a live podcast kasi a lot of times, especially when we talk about in regards to our experiences on the show and filming the show, marami kaming nasasabing bawal. And pag kami lang, kebs lang eh. Pero pag sa live, parang, NDA, mga ganon. May mga ganon. So parang, we like doing it pre-recorded because we also want to make sure that the queens are comfortable with what comes out. Kasi sometimes for example, may sabihin sila, eto, okay lang ba if hindi nyo to isama, pero may ikikwento nyo to for context lang, ganon. So we want to keep that same, like, being comfortable on air when we record. Kaya we like keeping it na edited siya and pre-recorded siya. There's a lot of there's a lot of show. Di napipigilan ng bibig ko, Rick. May mga ganong moments, bakla, na parang kami lang dapat, and ayaw namin, we don't want to put them in a position that they can't talk about that. Even if hindi namin siya isasama sa edit. We don't want to put them in a position where they're not able to freely speak, basically. Roast of Kia ng recording tayo eh. Correct. Okay, yeah, we want to foster a safe space for them to be able to talk about whatever they want, and then they can tell us what they want to make it onto the final episode. Ano naman yan? Practice naman na namin yan since before pa. And also kasi yun parang, especially when we were doing recaps for Drag Race, dami namin na pag-uusapan na hindi dapat. Tapos tinatanggal na lang namin sa edit. Interesting din yung pagkabigyan namin podcast on the history of drag. Alam nyo ba, there was one time, I think, earlier this year, before the show aired, I think around May or June, na I was invited for a few, I was invited by a few companies to do parang history of drag master classes. So ayun, if you especially pag sa mga people in corporate dyan, if your company has any plans on doing any LGBT and SOG education, you can also book me for those things because I do have a PowerPoint presentation prepared talking about the history of drag and history of drag in the Philippines in context. Ayun, meron din ako mga ganon. Meron mga like SOG education. I've done a few corporate gigs like that. So like, you know, Pride's coming up. If you want me to talk to your company about that, get your HR in touch with my team. Ganon. We love a smart queen. I'm just very passionate about lots of things. Wow, Bet, sana may mga ganyan din sa dating university ko. Honestly, like, we can never have too much education. We'll try to book you on June aside sa Rampa work natin, of course. Ayan, go. Yeah, I have a history of drag PowerPoint presentation prepared. At least history of drag in context of the Philippines. And hindi naman siya like super detailed. Hindi ko naman papangalanan lahat ng mga naging drag queens sa Pilipinas. But I think it's quite comprehensive for our at least contemporary history. Captivating Katkat, bigyan naman. Di ba namin na-interview si Katkat? Oo nga, no? Okay, noted. Siya to, nga, parang di namin... Hindi ba? Honestly, girl, I don't remember every guest that we've had. Ever, but... Hindi ba? Oh my God, okay. OMG, kilig if you do that on Jones with the Golden Gaze. Oh, the Golden Gaze. Mapa shoutout, drag name ko po, Huhun SUV Pilaos Drag Industry. Go, Vicious Lacroix. Taray. Hilig siya sa X. Sabi mong ganda. Thank you po. And it's 12:51 and I thought my feelings were gone. And I'm lying on my bed thinking of you again. Charis. Happy 12:51. Alam niyo ba yung kantang yun? Alam po ba ng mga Gen Z yung kanta na yun? Girly, 12:51, classic. Drag 101 this early, yes please. Hindi ngayon, be. Hindi naman ngayon. Good morning night, ma. Good morning night din sa'yo. Lala, nag-live ako kasi tinatamad pa ako magligpit. Kasi ang gulo-gulo ng... Kasi nga nilabas ko lahat ng gamit from the room kasi nagpintura ako, opo. So, tinatamad pa ako mag-ayos. Tinatamad pa ako magligpit. What if karaoke with mix? Oh my God, alam niyo bang ayaw na ayaw ko sa karaoke? Sa totoo lang, ayaw na ayaw ko sa karaoke. Like, I really do not... Ewan ko, parang nape-pressure. Alam ko karaoke lang siya, fun lang siya. Pero nape-pressure ako pag nagkakaraoke, kaya ayaw ko siya. Alam ba, mga 10 times ko inulit podcast yung for season 3, feel ko memorize ko na, oh my God, thank you so much for giving the streams. Yes, ma, naabutan ko pa. Chrissy and Erica, grabe sa mga Gen Z. Mix, try mo din si Otong as guest to represent the younger ones. Feel ko to dog showin lang kami ni Otong eh. Feeling ko to dog showin lang kami ni Otong eh. May Wattpad face ka ba, ma? Wala. Nagkaroon ako AO3. Sa mga nakakaalam na AO3, back pain. Gusto mo yun nung bata ka, 12:51? Correct! Akala mo naman may pinagdaanan. Pero favorite ko yung 12:51 na yan siya. Pinakita ko yung drag photo mo last time sa BF ko. Sabi niya, ang ganda mo. Thank you, may common sense siya. Eme. Hindi ko ma-imagine bigyan mo yung auto. Dog show. Hoy, Miha, anong binabasa mo sa AO3? Girl. K-pop fanfiction. K-pop fanfiction, mama. Kaya hindi ko kayo, like, I cannot blame the fans if they want to write AUs and fanfics about drag queens. Pero pag tungkol sa akin, kinikilabutan akong basahin. More power sa inyo. I appreciate your art. Thank you for your time. Pero hindi ko... Hey! Ovicon, ano ba ka namin? Actually, we would love to have Ovicon back. It's been a while since I've had like a heart-to-heart with my ate. I think the last time was after nung Joe Malone event. Nag-grab kami together ni Ovi. So kami last nakapag-catch up. 12:51 kasabay ng mga kitchindal. Pati Dota ako correct. Salon pass na talaga. Nakaprint pa lyrics yan sa clear book. 12:51. Correct. Waiting sa cover ng 12:51. Kailan ka i-guest sa Kaya Pa Ba podcast? Oh my God! Girl, bakit pa ako i-guest doon? Lagi naman kami bakla na me and Bawas have done over 50 plus episodes together on a podcast. Ano pa bang pag-uusapan namin hindi pa namin na pag-uusapan before? Nang kami ha. 12:51 tugtugan ng mga broken. Correct. Yung hindi ka pinansin ng crush mo nung high school. 12:50. Are you wearing a wig? No, mama. That's my hair. That's my hair, girl. That's all of my hair. Dear Diary, hindi ako pinahiram ng pencil ng crush ko today. Now playing 12:51 by Christine Eric. Ay, hindi! Hindi Diary. 12:51 and I thought my feelings were gone. Now I'm lying on my bed, thinking of you again. Good evening mga ka-GM. Who sakit no? Boss Boss na pagmahal. 23. Ganon! Oh my God, lumalabas yun. Naabutan niyo pa ba yung mga GM? Oh my God. Tapos pag New Year nyo, pag New Year tipong, before the lines get busy, ganyan. Mag-greet ka ng 11 p.m. bago mag-midnight para hindi congested yung mga linya ng text. Ganon. Very healthy na hair mo ngayon, Mix, but na-miss ko ang JN-era mo. Di ba nga, the hair is very healthy. Nagising diwa ko, tangina. Feeling ko, kaklan kita dati, tapos Geb madalas ako ba? Akin na ng Geb, grand eyeball, hayop! Tapos kunwari, GM pero sa crush lang, ay te, galawan ko yan dati. Mga papansin. Ubos load sa gym. Ay, hindi te. Ano yan talaga? Ano yan? Go only 50. Oo, yung panahon na yun. Uso pa only 50, only 99. Kailan na lang yun eh. Only 15 pa dati. Diyos ko, Lord. Oh my God. Ang tanda ng konsepto ng GM. Ante na paghahalataan ng mga sakit-sakit natin. Correct. Bakla! Sa tingin niyo bakit hindi ako bumabaldog-baldog sa stage? Sa tingin niyo ba kung kaedad ko si Zimba, hindi ako lalaban sa mga ganyan? Charot. Ate, mukha lang akong bata, pero yung back pain ko, ibang level na rin. True, go only. Daming MS sa mga clan, tas may mga roleplay pa ako. Nag-i-invest sa only text, correct. Tapos mag-GM. Ano yung last GM before matapos yung only? Ganon. Oh my God. Boss Mix mapagmahal, 1/3, correct? So, oh my God. Isa pang flashback from that era. Sino nakikinig dito ng sino yun? Nakalimutan yung pangalan ng DJ sa radyo. True Love Conversations. Tsaka si Wild Confessions. Tapos pag may jowa, featuring mo siya. Ay, hindi ko na wala akong jowa ng era na yon. Daming energy, 1 AM na. Yung DJ, si ano yun? Papa Jack! Ano yun? Papa Jack's True Love Conversations. Mga ganon. Ah! Tapos nakaradyo sa cellphone. Nakaradyo sa cellphone. Ay, bakla. Nagpapanggap tulog na, parang hindi pagalitan. Pero naka-earphones, nakaradyo sa cellphone. Korik. Nagigilty ako na hindi ako nakitake part sa ganong eme dati. Yung ba yung tatawag din si pag-prepare? Hindi pag-prepare. Yung magkikwento lang siya ng ano. Magkikwento siya ng, Papa Jack, ano pong gagawin ko? Kasi hiniwalayan po ako nung jowa ko. Kasi may bago na po. Ganon, mga ganong color. Ay! Pag alam mo yung mga ganon, for sure, may stock ka na rin ng salon pass. Ate, yung katingko ko sumisigaw. Dito tayo, relate ang edad natin. Correct. Yan, yung mga ganyan, hindi na alam nila Kiana yan. Hindi na alam nila Zimba yung mga ganyan. Charis. 1 o'clock na parang hyper pa rin, be. Kasi, gantong oras yung mga gantong oras yung mga na to, wild confessions na to. Tapos magkikwento sila nung nagkimihan sila sa nag-emihan sila sa kotse, ganyan. Ay, yeah. Naka-ready na yung salon pass ko. Girl, yung katingko ko talaga. Nag-hello na sa akin yung katingko ko. May asawa na yung nakaabot doon, correct. Na-age reveal ang mga manonood, correct. Sa mga nanonood ng live ko na nakaka-relate, na single pa rin ngayon, yung mga kaedad natin may mga anak na. Tayo nagbabakla-baklaan o kaya nag-aadik-adik sa kabaklaan. Pero yung mga kaedad natin may mga anak na. May mga pinapaaral na. Nawalaan to ko sa eleksyon na di ba? Oh my God, si mga panahon na yan, pipila sa album release ng Super Junior, pipila sa album release ng Girls' Generation, Tanto Anyone, di ba? Curious pala paano nyo kinakaya magpuyat, especially drag queens, minsan hanggang madaling araw kayo. Ay be, sinasabi ko sa'yo, wala kang makikitang drag queen na gising sa umaga na hindi nagpupuyat. Pag may drag queen nagising ng umaga, 8 a.m., 9 a.m., nang hindi nag-aayos for drag brunch, ay magulat ka. Kasi lang yan, pag may nakita kang drag queen nagising ng umaga, big sabihin lang yan, puyat galing sa gig kagabi, puyat dahil may inaasikaso para sa show, o naghahanda para sa drag brunch. Girls' Generation, correct. Magastos magkaanak, manood na ng drag show. Tama. Tama yan, di ba? True ha. Ito gusto bumili ng coloring book. Ay, ba yung coloring book ko nasa Marikina. May mga junior school na kabatch ko. Ako ito nagpapabook pa ng drag show. Memorize ko pa rin yung unang Girls' Generation. Ay, girl. Unang Girls' Generation, yung unang K-pop choreo. Ay, hindi. I Don't Care, tsaka ng Girls' Generation, yung mga una kong K-pop choreo na inaral. Ay, hayaan sila mag-anak. Mas magastos yun kesa mag-fangirl. Korik. Umaatras antok ko sa'yo. Mashoot ako. Ito pala mga kabatch ko eh. Ay, mga gising pala ngayon, yung mga kabatch ko talaga eh. Nobody but you, correct. Nakatulog ka pa ba ng kompletong? Bakla, kompleto tulog ko. Yun nga lang ang tulog ko from 4 a.m. hanggang 2 p.m. minsan. Reunion ng batch. Hala, batch reunion pala to eh. Mga ganun ataka-miss yung mga ganun. Mga parinig pa. Ay, oo. Tapos pag nagpaparinig ka sa crush mo, kunyari, yung ka-MU mo no, yung ka-text mo, may sinabi sa yung may sinabi sa yung na-hurt ka, paparinig ka, kunyari mag-GM ka, pero sa kanya mo lang isa-send, tapos mag-reply siya sa'yo, uy, okay ka lang ba? Tapos ikaw naman kilig-kilig, parang, concerned siya. Mga tita, inaantok na ako pero nagigising di ba ako sa tawa ni Mix. Age of Salon Pass, tama. Nobody, Matthew. Oh my God, Matthew. Hindi lang halata, pero edad tita na din. Edad tita na din. Malapit na ako sumama sa mga nakapag-Saturn return. Shit, isang taon na lang. Hi, late 20s, early 30s, shout out. Papa plug sa friend si Papa send sa crush lang. Correct. GM, ayun, good eve po. May friend po ako nagpapareto. Ito po number niya. Tapos, ano siya? Tapos yung yung A. A-H-H-M-M. Mabait siya, maganda. Ganun. Kala ko bata pa kayo, di ba? Mapanlin lang tayo, B. Pero kaka-28 ko lang. Diyos ko. Girl, di ba naging pintor ka pa kanina? Dami pa di energy. Taong gabi talaga kasi ako. Like, mas gising talaga ako at night. Ang gising ko kanina parang 1 p.m., 2 p.m. Bumble back in the days. Tama. Tama yan. Diyos ko, GM, mga text clan, ayop na yan. Though hindi ko na-experience mag grand eyeball talaga. As a story, strict ang parents ko. Syempre, alam niya rin yon. Hindi pa ako 20 plus pero relate ako sa mga kanta tsaka kwento kainis. Ay, wow! My God, yung Yahoo Messenger. Naramdaman bigla ang sakit ng likod na lang talaga. Sana po naabot niyo kay Same. Okay. In fairness, naabot ko naman siya kanina, pero mga dalawang upuan yung tinutungan ko. Ayun, nalagyan naman siya ng tape. Aray ko, sabi daw ko sa kakain ko kanina. Anyway, siya, alauna na mga be. Tigil na natin to kalokohan na to. Magliligpit pa ako ng bahay. Ma-post ka para screenshot, okay. Anyway, ayun na. Mga kapwa tita and Skype call be? And YM call. OMG mga audible sa Yahoo Messenger. Correct. Anyway, ayun. Good night. Bye. Mwah.